Oh, you trying to heal me? Oh, appreciate it. Appreciate it. I don't know what to do though.
I don't know either. I have no idea what to do.
We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed.
I gotta go harder. Yeah, I gotta go harder.
Alright, I'm gonna beat the shit out of these kickers.
See, that's the type of teammates I need. That's the type of teammates I need. You said we finna beat the shit out the killers?
Yeah, we're finna beat the shit out of them. Kill the motherfuckers.
Oh, that's what. Oh shit! Somebody's already back.
That door. Check his ass if he comes over here, alright?
Alright, cause I'm a newbie, so you gonna have to check his ass.
I got you. Fuck off, Miss Fatty.
I'm not finna be laughing with this dude. I'm finna escape. I'm not finna be messing with this dude. Let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, I am recording.
Feel thirsty with a whole bag.
Oh shit. Oh, he went line.
No. Hey. Oh shit.
What the fuck? He got killed? No!
Oh my god.
All that fucking talking and you got your ass murked. Look, right here, look. Open your eyes, bro. I can't believe that dude was talking all that mess and got his ass. He was talking, oh, he got me hyped. See, that's why you never get hyped up, man. Never let nobody hype you up. She don't see me. She don't see me. Bitch. Why is it? Bro, why are they double teaming? That's why there's no reason for them, like, there's no reason for there to be 2 killers. There's no reason for there to be 2, 3, 4 killers. Cause you could just jump somebody. There's no reason, dog. Oh, there's gonna be an update. There's gonna be an update in this game very soon, and either they're gonna take one family member off, or they gonna add like 12 victims, because ain't no way. This ain't fair.
In God's name, what is this place?
Are you trying to heal me? Oh, appreciate it. Appreciate it. I don't know what to do though.
I don't know either. I have no idea what to do.
We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed, bro.
Oh God, did they hear me? There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Valve handle collected. So I got a valve handle. Oh, is that what it's lighting up, telling me where to go with it? Now, if that's the case, this game might be onto something. I wonder if Crispy can hear me from here. Crispy, I repeat, Crispy, can you hear me from here? Oh, they're not Crispy, Catnippy.
Yeah, okay.
Somebody just opened the pressure gate.
Okay, I see it.
I'm about to go over there, bro.
Think. What do I do? What do I do?
Okay, calm down, Anna. Damn, we're gonna do it. So somebody escaped from over here. Now I wonder if I should escape how they escaped, or should I go to where they were pointing at with this valve?
I escaped. What?
How? How'd you escape, Catnip?
You can see the, I think you see my aura.
Tell me where to go.
You see the aura? Go there.
Alright, bro.
And you have to run.
Is this it?
Wait, you closed it, I think.
He closed it. He closed it.
I don't know.
Fuck, man. I'm not gonna be able to escape by myself. Oh my gosh, man. He's just gonna stand there. Fuck it. I mean, I might as well just go figure it out on my own. He's just gonna stand there, dog. Really?
Please let this stuff be safe.
How weak of a killer are you that you just gonna stand there? He's just gonna stand there.
Guarding it.
So you just gonna stand at the exit?
I don't know what you can do. I'm new at this game. I have no idea what I just did.
You good, bro. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. That nigga said I'm mute. I think where he's from, that means I don't know what to say. Bro. I mean, it's nothing. Fuck it. I mean, it's like, I don't know what to do. Like, it's like, I don't know what to do from this point. The killer's job is so easy. Like, you don't have to do nothing. Like, who made this?
Think.
Dude, they're pretty quick.
What do I do?
Please tell me I escape.
No.
Dude. What the F?
Why are you doing this?
I don't know about this game, y'all. I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. Like, I genuinely don't know. You got 3 killers. And their range is wild. Like, dog, you're not even swinging at me. It says he escaped. Like, how are people escaping? I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm caught, bruh. This is not even fair. Like, the killers aren't even good. They're not even good.